America? This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more wonderful information about stainless steel. Well, it is the rage, it is beautiful, it looks great, but do we know how to clean it? There are some sins in doing stainless steel. Let me talk to you about it. First, everybody's seen the stainless steel, okay? It's pretty, it's beautiful. But now, how many people you know, or do you know, that actually know stainless steel has a grain to it? What I mean by grain is, if you look at it, let me get my little light out here, okay? If you look at it, you can actually see this grain is vertical. I mean, it's going up and down. If you look at it, you can see, like I said, it's up and down. Some is left to right, some is up and down. That is something very important when it comes to cleaning your stainless steel. Now, little information. Stainless steel is not exactly stainless steel. What it is if they used real stainless steel panels on your fridges, on your ranges, they would be about twice the weight. Stainless steel is really, really heavy. So what the manufacturer's done is they've gone to a lightweight metal and put a stainless steel coating on this. So this is not stainless steel all the way through. So you want to be careful when you clean it. Now what I mean by that is, this is actually no name, but we're going to say this represents anything that's abrasive. Comment, soft scrub, anything that you can put between your fingers and you can feel some sort of abrasion, that is a big no-no. Like I said, I didn't want to bring bottles of all of them out here and embarrass them, so we're going to say this encompasses all of the cleaning products that have any kind of abrasiveness to them. Those are a world-class no-no, because the moment you put that on there, all those little abrasion particles are going to start scratching your stainless. Now, it may look good the first time, it may look good the third time eventually, but you're going to see scratches developing on your stainless, okay? Second is Goo Gone. Goo Gone is a good cleaner. I'm sure we've all seen the thing for Goo Gone, okay? It's a very good cleaner. It will clean stainless, okay? And it doesn't scratch any at all, okay? But the problem I found with Goo Gone is it leaves a residue, okay? Which isn't a bad thing, okay? But it does leave a residue that will attract other dirt particles, okay? Now, as for, obviously, we're not using oven cleaner on our stainless, even on your fridge. And the reason I brought this out is because a stainless steel stove, if you're not careful and you spray this on your stainless steel, you're going to ruin your stainless steel. Obviously, we wouldn't use it on the fridge because we're not going to use it on the fridge. But for your stoves, be very careful if you happen to use any kind of cleaner for your oven, okay? That will also mess with it. Now, this is stainless steel cleaner and polish. Is this the best brand? Don't know. That is a personal choice. Some leave a wet finish, some leave a dry finish. Don't really know. That's something you need to decide. But when you do clean it, okay, obviously, put it on, okay? You don't have to put it on real overly great, overly generously. That's something you're going to learn over time, is how much you want to put on there. Now, when I rub this, even with this, is my towel clean? Microfiber towels are the best towels to use. Now, if you've used that microfiber towel before you do this, don't. Make sure your towel is clean and fresh, okay? Because if I've used this anything else, I may have something caught in here I don't know about, and all of a sudden I go whoosh, I have a really nice mark in my stainless, okay? And basically, you want to rub with the grain of the stainless steel, okay? Okay, you don't want it doesn't have to be hard, doesn't have to be mean, just you want to rub with the stainless steel, okay? And it's actually quite easy. Now, like I said, is there a better brand? Is there not a better brand? That's a personal choice. Try a couple of them. See which one you like the best, and then stick with it, okay? And if you change appliances, let's say you upgrade and get new ones, try it again. If you don't like it, try something else. You don't have to have the same as your neighbor, but that's up to you. Like I said, you can see a difference between this half and this half on the stainless steel. Now, like I said, some of the manufacturers, they have a little oily residue, makes it look a little better. Some of them don't. It really is personal choice on what you like. Now, what about Windex? Well, Windex, I would honestly say no, because Windex is ammonia-based, and ammonia is a potentially corrosive chemical. Now, yes, right on, right off, no, you're not going to knock down the finish right away. But over time, it can actually eat the finish of your stainless steel. So when it comes to your stainless, take a little time, be patient, and don't just start going. Okay, that's going to damage your stainless. It's like I said, it's just nice and rub it down, rub it with the grain. This grain is vertical. If you come over here to this one, this grain is vertical, not horizontal. So if I were to wipe it, I'm going to wipe it like this. Yes, it's going to take a little longer. I don't want to do that because that's a habit you get into. If you do something goofy, you're going to mess it. Get in the habit of always going with the grain of your stainless steel. Okay, and it will help preserve it and help make it last a long. So those are the sins of stainless steel cleaning. Use the good stuff. Don't be cheap, and don't use anything that has any kind of abrasion in it. Okay, and if it's not a microfiber cloth, don't use it. Don't use a sponge. Don't use one of those little white things that say they erase marks. Don't use those. Just a nice microfiber cloth, a decent stainless steel cleaner, and you will be very happy with the way your stainless steel looks. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we'll see y'all next week with more good information.